Hi, I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off flashlight on Google Pixel 9a. The first way is to unlock your phone, then swipe down from the top right corner to trigger tiles, and swipe down again to see more features. So here you should see tab with flashlight. To turn it on, just tap on it once and flashlight will be turned on. To turn off, just tap again. Now the next way is without unlocking your phone. So just on your lock screen, also swipe down from the top right, also tap on flashlight and it will be on. Tap again and off. And the third way is the most fun one. So you need to go in settings. From here, find System tab. Then go in the Gestures and find this option Quick Tap to start actions. Make sure to turn it on by toggling the switch and choose Toggle Flashlight. Now you can double tap back part of your phone to turn on flashlight. As you can see, this feature is not working from the first time, but it still does work. You need to double tap again to turn it off. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.